Hello, everyone, and welcome to Champion English.
Yay!
I'm Tamala, and this is
Koya.
and we're doing numbers today. So here we go. Numbers. Koya, what numbers do you know?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
and 10. So I'm going to ask Koya right now to put the number with the word. So go ahead and write us the number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Wow.
That's good. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. He's got it, everyone. So let's look back at what Koya just did. When I see Koya's numbers, I think, wow, that's pretty good, Koya. However, I would love for you to do your 3 like this. Yes, you can do this kind of 3, but when we first are starting off, we do this kind of 3 because that's more the official 3. Then he had his 4. The 5 was a little funny, right, Koya? So we want to connect that edge to there so that we don't have that funny thing at the top, right? Then when he did his number 7, he put this little hoop down at the bottom, which is something that we never do in USA. Okay, so we would just do like that, and that would be the 7. Then when he did his 8, he started here and he went down and then he went up, which in America we do 2 circles like that, or we start on the other side and we go down and up. Okay, so I would say boom, boom would be good. And then the 9 was pretty perfect, and then the 10 was perfect. So we're looking at 3. Come on, 3.
3.
Okay, make it a little bit more curved. 3. This is going to be smaller. That's why this is bigger. You made a very big 3, so gonna go ahead and do us a 3. Yeah, that would be much cleaner. See, this is much better than this. Okay, and then let's see your 5. Okay, great. And then let's see your 8. Yeah, that's your 7. Your 7. Much better. This is easy, like especially for a lawyer. If you write it like this, much easier to be understood than if you put that little hook down. And let's see your 8. Okay. Putting 2 circles. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. All right. Let's go over it one more time. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
and 10.
10.